Are you a millennial wondering why your bank account never seems to grow? You're not alone, and the reasons might surprise you. In this video, we'll uncover 5 shocking reasons why millennials are struggling financially in 2024. We'll explore the hidden enemy robbing your wealth, the modern trap that's draining your wallet, the psychological hurdle holding you back, the societal pressure costing you thousands, the overlooked habit that could make you rich. But first, let me share a mind-blowing statistic that will change how you think about your money. I'll share a free resource I've created to help you start building wealth today. Inflation is the invisible force eating away at your savings, a silent wealth killer that many millennials underestimate. In 2024, inflation rates are outpacing wage growth, meaning your money is worth less each year. For example, with a 3% inflation rate, $1,000 in your savings account will only have the buying power of about $970 next year and just $744 in 10 years. The good news is that you can combat inflation by investing in assets that historically outpace it. Index funds, for instance, have averaged around 10% annual returns over the long term. Real estate is another option, as property values and rents tend to increase with inflation. Even small, consistent investments in these assets can make a big difference over time. Consider this example. Investing $100 a month in an index fund with an average 8% annual return would grow to over $140,000 after 30 years. The same $100 a month in a savings account with 1% interest would only reach just over $41,000. That's the power of investing to beat inflation. Remember, simply saving money isn't enough. You need to grow your wealth faster than inflation erodes it. Your Netflix subscription might seem harmless, but it's part of a larger issue, the subscription economy. From streaming services to meal kits, these small monthly charges add up quickly. For example, a few common subscriptions can easily total $145 a month or $1,740 a year. If invested at an 8% annual return, that money could grow to over $120,000 in 25 years. The key is to be intentional about what you're paying for. Start by auditing all your subscriptions and honestly asking yourself if each one justifies its cost. For subscriptions you keep, try negotiating better rates, such as discounts for annual payments or sharing family plans with friends. By being mindful of your subscriptions, you could save hundreds or thousands per year, money that could be redirected towards your financial goals. Our brains are wired to make poor financial decisions, prioritizing instant rewards over long-term benefits. This present bias is why many millennials struggle with financial planning, often choosing immediate pleasures over saving for the future. But understanding this cognitive trick is the first step to overcoming it. Once you recognize that your brain is playing tricks on you, you can start to counteract it. One powerful strategy is automation. Set up automatic transfers of just 5% of your paycheck to a savings account, gradually increasing this percentage over time. You'll be saving a significant portion of your income without feeling deprived. Additionally, practice delayed gratification by instituting a 48-hour waiting period for non-essential purchases. Often, you'll find the urge to buy passes, and you'll be glad you saved the money instead. Remember, every time you choose long-term benefit over short-term pleasure, you're rewiring your brain for financial success. Is your Instagram feed costing you more than just time? In today's world of carefully curated social media, we're constantly bombarded with images of luxury and excess, creating unprecedented pressure to keep up with the Joneses. This leads to lifestyle inflation, the tendency to increase spending as your income increases. While it's natural to want to improve your quality of life as you earn more, unchecked lifestyle inflation can be a major roadblock to building wealth. Here's the reality check. Many of the lavish lifestyles you see on social media are either carefully staged, the result of debt, or represent only a tiny fraction of someone's life. People rarely post about their budget meetings or debt repayments. To combat this pressure, start by clearly defining your personal financial goals. What really matters to you? Is it early retirement, starting a business, or buying a home? Keep these goals front and center when making financial decisions. Practice mindful spending by asking yourself before any purchase, does this align with my long-term financial goals? This simple question can save you from impulse buys. Consider finding a money buddy, someone with similar financial goals who can keep you accountable. Lastly, reframe your thinking about success. True financial success isn't about having the newest gadget or the most exotic vacation photos. It's about building long-term wealth and financial security. That might not be as glamorous on Instagram, but it's far more satisfying in real life. Financial education is the most valuable investment you can make, yet it's an area where many millennials fall short. Despite years of formal education, most of us receive little to no training on crucial concepts like compound interest, budgeting, or taxes. This knowledge gap leaves us ill-equipped to navigate the complex financial landscape of adulthood. Fortunately, the internet has made financial education more accessible than ever. Free resources abound, from blogs and podcasts to YouTube channels and online courses. Make learning about money a habit by committing to one new financial concept each week. Start with basics like budgeting and saving, then progress to more complex topics like investing and tax strategies. Remember, financial education isn't just about accumulating knowledge, it's about application. As you learn new concepts, implement them in your own life. Understanding compound interest, for instance, can revolutionize how you approach saving and investing. Don't hesitate to seek professional advice when needed. With consistent effort and practical application, even 15 minutes of learning a day can dramatically improve your financial outcomes over time. Here's the mind-blowing statistic I promised. If you start investing $500 monthly at age 25, assuming an 8% annual return, you'll have over $1.6 million by age 65. That's the power of compound interest. Your $240,000 total contribution grows into $1.36 million from investment returns alone. Even starting at 35 with the same investment can yield $670,000 by 65. The key to overcoming financial struggles like inflation, subscription overload, instant gratification, lifestyle inflation, and lack of financial education is to start now, regardless of your age. Building wealth isn't about one big decision, but about making smart, consistent choices day after day. Start by implementing just one strategy we've discussed. Remember, every financial decision either brings you closer to your goals or pushes them further away. Your journey to financial freedom starts now. Are you ready to take the first step? We've uncovered 5 surprising reasons why millennials are struggling financially in 2024, from the silent wealth killer of inflation to the often overlooked importance of financial education. The real power lies in taking action. Start small, choose just one area we've discussed today, and take action on it this week. Your financial journey is a marathon, not a sprint, about making consistent, informed decisions over time. If you found value in this video, please hit that like button, subscribe for more practical financial advice, and share this with friends who might benefit. Remember, your financial future is in your hands.